To begin, you will be needing about 325 meters of sport weight yarn, a little bit of yarn in contrasting color, and a 3.5 millimeter size crochet hook. So first, start by chaining 51. And then double crochet into third chain from hook. And continue by double crocheting in each chain across. And by the end of row 1, you should be left with 49 double crochet stitches in total. At row 2, chain 2, turn around, and half double crochet in the first 2 stitches. Then make 3 front post double crochet stitches, and next you will be making 3 back post double crochet stitches. And you will repeat the 3 front post and 3 back post sequence until you get to the last 2 stitches. And please note that you will be ending the sequence with 3 front post double crochet stitches. So you will be starting the sequence with front post stitches and ending it with front post stitches as well. And at the end of the row you will make half double crochet stitches in the last 2 stitches that you have left there. At row 3 until row 35 you will do exactly the same that you did at row 2. So first chain 2 and then half double crochet in the first 2 stitches. Then again make 3 front post double crochet stitches, and next you will make 3 back post double crochet stitches. And you will continue with the front post back post sequence until the last 2 stitches of the row, always ending the sequence with front post stitches. And at the end of the row you will make half double crochet stitches in the last 2 stitches that you have left there. Now when you're done with row 35, then next you will single crochet across those 3 edges here. On the sides where you don't have any definite stitches, just try to place the single crochet stitches as evenly as you can. Now when you're done with all 3 sides, before doing the last stitch, you will change the yarn to contrasting color. So start making the last stitch like you normally would, and then before you pull through the last loop, you will change to the contrasting colored yarn. And you will make the last stitch with the new colored yarn. Next you will chain 20. And then just single crochet into that same stitch where you started the chaining from. So this will be the loop that you can hang your pot holders from. And next you will be single crocheting across all of the edges. Try to hide the yarn ends under your single crochet stitches while you are working on the edge. And when you have covered enough of the yarn endings, you can fasten off the main yarn and continue with the contrasting colored yarn. Now when you're done with all 4 sides, then just slip stitch into the first stitch. And fasten off the yarn. Hide the yarn end. And make another pot holder. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.